Hi K2, so today for day 9, your lesson is on facts to 20. And yesterday you guys did the facts to 10. Today we're just adding more numbers. I want to start with the second page. And the second page we see some 10 frames. And the trick is make 10. Okay, and the first page, it's what you guys are used to doing, counting objects. On this page, the trick is make 10 to find out the other numbers. So 8 plus 5 equals an unknown number. So how can we solve that? So we have 8 red counters and 5 yellow counters. One way we can count is to count on, just like we have in the past. But there's also a trick where you can create 10 and then add the rest. So what they did is they have two 10 frames. The first one shows 8, and we know that to make 10, we need 2 more, just like they did. So what they did is they dragged 2 counters over. So now we have 10 plus 3 more. And that's the exact same thing as 8 plus 5 is also the same thing as 10 plus 3. So let's see. We can count on, just like we have in the past, to find the sum, so to find the answer. So now I have 10 plus how many more? Let's see. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. So for this day, we also have subtraction. This one is one way that you guys are very familiar with. So it says 15 minus 7 equals an unknown number. So how do we find that out? Well, we show 15. Okay, I have 10 here and 10 here, minus a number to get 10. So let's try that. I'm going to place x's. Well, I already have some x's, but just to show you guys. Okay, so now I have 15 minus 5, because I crossed out 5, equals 10. So I'm going to break 7 into 5. And the way that they did that is now they took away 2 more from this one. So let's see what we have. So we can write 15 minus 5 equals 10, or 10 minus 2 equals 8 when we do it all together. And do you guys see how I did that? We took 5 away first from the 15. See, we made a 10. After we made that 10 here, we took 2 more to get 8, because I knew. Let's go back to the first problem. 15 minus 7, I showed take away 5 and take away 2, that's 7, equals 8. I know it can be a little bit tricky and a little bit of confusing, but I know that with practice, you guys can do it. You guys are very smart kindergartners. And I know that we can do this together. If you guys have any questions, please ask me. I will gladly help you if you are still confused with it. It takes a little bit of time.